Hey, police department, police! All right, put your hands behind your back. No, hands behind your back.
On the afternoon of May 28, 2026, a man arranged to meet a buyer at a public playground in San Francisco's Bayview district to sell his collection of trading cards. The victim had arranged to sell collectible cards through an online marketplace and met the suspect at a public playground. After examining the cards and pretending to pay, the suspect pepper sprayed the victim, stole the cards, and fled in a waiting vehicle. Investigators obtained surveillance footage and identified the suspect vehicle. The following day, the Real-Time Investigation Center used automated license plate reader technology to locate the vehicle and alert citywide plainclothes officers. With the assistance of a drone, officers maintained surveillance as the vehicle traveled through the city. SFPD has been building the Real-Time Investigation Center, or what they're calling the RTIC. This new nerve center allows officers to use technology to fight crime in real time, and the results are stunning. Officers can simultaneously use the growing network of automated license plate readers, drones, public safety cameras, and other technologies to fight crime faster and more efficiently. RTIC, launched in March 2024, has since assisted in over 500 arrests. In this case, Flock license plate reader technology located the suspect vehicle the following day. When the two occupants entered a jewelry and pawn shop, officers positively identified them as the robbery suspects. An arrest plan was developed, and both suspects were taken into custody as they exited the business.
Hey, police department, police!
Both juvenile male suspects were taken into custody and booked into the Juvenile Justice Center on charges of second-degree robbery and conspiracy. A search warrant executed at one suspect's residence recovered clothing worn during the robbery. Investigators also connected the pair to a separate online marketplace robbery in South San Francisco involving a stolen gold necklace believed to have been carried out by the same suspects. Both cases remain under active investigation.